Join me as I take on the challenge of selling my business for maximum profit. Can I really make it happen? Selling a business for maximum profit is a crucial topic that every business owner should understand. It's a moment of truth that can either bring financial freedom or leave you wondering what could have been. When it comes to selling a business, many owners face a daunting task. They've poured their heart and soul into building their company, and the thought of letting go can be overwhelming. However, it's often the lack of preparation that leads to undervaluation or even a failed sale. You see, most business owners have no idea how to prepare their business for sale, which can result in a lower sale price or even a failed sale. Additionally, many entrepreneurs struggle to create a sense of urgency in the sales process, which can lead to a prolonged and exhausting experience. Another common challenge is the emotional attachment to the business, making it difficult for owners to remain objective during the sales process. And finally, owners often underestimate the time and effort it takes to sell a business, leading to a rushed and poorly executed sale. So, how can you overcome these challenges and sell your business for maximum profit? The key lies in preparation and strategy. First, it's essential to have a clear understanding of your business's financial position by preparing accurate and up-to-date financial statements. This will give you a realistic idea of your business's worth and help you identify areas for improvement. Next, focus on improving your business operations by streamlining processes, reducing costs, and increasing revenue. This will not only increase your business's value, but also make it more attractive to potential buyers. Another critical strategy is to build a strong team that can run the business without you, making it more attractive to buyers and increasing its value. And finally, it's crucial to have a solid marketing strategy in place to attract the right buyers and negotiate the best possible deal. Let me share with you a powerful case study that illustrates the difference between a well-prepared sale and a rushed one. I worked with a client who had built a successful e-commerce business over the years. When they decided to sell, they realized that their financial statements were a mess, and their business operations were inefficient. We worked together to prepare the business for sale, improving their financial statements, streamlining their operations, and building a strong team. As a result, we were able to attract multiple buyers and negotiate a sale price that was significantly higher than their initial expectation. This is a perfect example of how preparation and strategy can lead to a maximum profit sale. To summarize, selling a business for maximum profit requires preparation, strategy, and a deep understanding of the sales process. By preparing your financial statements, improving your business operations, building a strong team, and having a solid marketing strategy, you can increase your business's value and attract the right buyers. Remember, a well-prepared sale is key to achieving maximum profit, so don't rush the process and take the time to get it right. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your experiences with selling a business in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about business valuation, visit worldbusinessesforsale.com today. Be sure to check out my next video, where I'll dive deeper into the topic.